How to spend coins in GoChat step by step. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to spend some coins in GoChat step by step. So to spend your coins right here, all you need is go to rewards right here. As you can see, our coins right now is rare go. As you can see, I have 5,000 coins right there. We can spend it on whatever we want right here. So for right here, there you go. So I think there might be Roblox. So for the Roblox player right there, hopefully there's a Roblox here. So you guys can try it out. Oh no, there is none. Sorry guys. Anyways, right here. Once you're here, now let's buy some stuff. For example, right here, 50% off anti-herbal or what right there. For example, right here we have unlock rated potential with core. And right there, for example, right there, you want to use this. So here's how to use it, how to apply. No promo code. Click the web offer now button offer. You will redirect to the merchant website. Then as you see now, redeem for 100 coins. Press on redeem right there. After pressing on redeem right there, you just have to wait for a few moments, and yeah, it will be redeemed. There you go. Just click on open link right here. Easy as that right there. There you go. And it has expiration. Expiration is 31 December 2026. So yeah, we still have a few more months before this expires. So we're gonna click on X right that, and to see all your spending, click on history right here, and then all the redeem here and all the expired here and collected coins. So there you go guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down question below guys. And if you want to earn more coins, click on how to earn coins here. As you can see here, the other stuff you can do. You can call and earn, make 5-minute calls up to 4 to 5 daily, and here invite and earn even up to 5 friends daily to 900 coins, and daily bonus open go cash every day for 350 bonus coins. So there you guys, that's how you do it. So there, earn and of course spend. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, type it down in the comment below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible and here on how to rock it guys. See you next one guys, and thank you guys.